Hey guys, my name is Martin and this is the very first episode of Quick Tip series. In these videos, I am going to give you guys some quick tips on photography and filmmaking, which means I'm not going to talk that much and I will try to go straight to the point, and I will also try to keep these videos as short as possible. So in this video, I am going to talk to you about how you can edit 4K and maybe even 6K footage on every computer that can basically handle the Premiere Pro. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into Premiere. So here we are in Premiere, and in this project I have 4 clips. So the first one is obviously me opening this box. It is the 4K clip out of my A7S Mark II, and then I have 3 drone shots from my DJI Mavic Pro. On top of these clips there is the adjustment layer, which is basically my color grade. Now if I try to playback this sequence, you can see that it's kind of slow, it's skipping frames, it's a little bit laggy, and the more clips and the more effects you will add to your project, the slower your playback will be. To speed up your editing process, you will need to create proxy files from your original footage. That means you need to transcode your original footage to lower resolution and maybe even use different codec that will be much more efficient in Premiere Pro. Now this process will not affect the quality of your final video, but it will definitely help with your editing experience. To create these proxy files, select all of your footage, right-click your selection, go to Proxy and hit Create Proxies. Now in this window I will recommend switching to QuickTime, and you can basically stick with this Apple ProRes 422 proxy preset. Now just hit OK and wait for your proxy files to be created. Now just close the media encoder and return to the Premiere Pro. In this final step, you will have to tell Premiere to start actually using these proxy files for playback purposes. To do so, you will have to find and turn on this feature here which says Toggle Proxies, and if you don't have this feature on this panel, just click this plus button and basically drag this feature onto the panel. Now when I turn on this option, you can see that Premiere immediately starts using the proxy files instead of the original footage. Well, that's it for today, guys. I really hope that this video was helpful for you, and if you like this kind of quick tip video, leave me a comment down below, tell me what you think, maybe what can I improve in my next videos, and also don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel because it really makes a difference for me, and I will see you in my next one.